These are my first steps in the Startup Movement Design Challenge, and I've hooked up the Analog Devices motor controller to their motor driver and one of the stepper motors. I do have another stepper motor here which has a optical encoder on it, but not hooked up right now, just trying to get a feel for moving a motor at the beginning. This motor will be driving a planetary gear head, and this motor will be driving this lead screw here ultimately, and these linear bearings will be making sure it stays on track. So let's just move the motor a bit. You can watch this little clip I have on here to see if it moves. There it goes. And I can go the other way. So that's just the first attempt to get a stepper motor running with this Analog Devices motor controller. Just a little bonus to the unboxing.